So students, continuing our problems on LPP. So these problems are somewhat different from the problems which we had solved in previous video. So you are required to maximize and minimize, means you are required to find maximum value and minimum value of this expression z is equal to x plus 2y. Subjected to constraints, three equations he has given. In one equation, RHS will be 0. RHS will be 0, means that a line passes through origin. So again, if I take those equations yesterday as we had solved, consider. So first equation I will take x plus 2y is equal to 100. So if I find x and y value, if I find x and y value, x, y. So when x equal to 0, x equal to 0, 2y is equal to 100, therefore you will get y is equal to 50. So if y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 100, x equal to 100. Similarly, second equation if I take 2x plus y is equal to 200. 2x plus y is equal to 200. So again I will find x and y value, x, y. So if x is 0, x is 0, y is 200. If y is 0, x is 100. If y is 0, 2x is equal to 200, therefore x is equal to 100. If I take a third equation, 2x minus y is equal to 0. 2x minus y equal to 0. Again find x and y to draw the line x, y. So if you take x equal to 0, if you take x equal to 0, you will get minus y equal to 0, therefore y you will get 0. Now if you take y equal to 0, again you will get x equal to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHS 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು x 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ y 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ, y 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So you will be getting only one point, that is 0 0. For another point, you take any x value ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ ತಗೋರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ y ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, to make it easy, then to draw graph also it will be easy. Take value among these values you have got. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಾವ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x 50 ತೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ x 100 ತೋರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ x is equal to 50, x 50 I will take. So x is equal to 50 means 50 into 200. So you will get y is equal to 100. You will get y is equal to 100. So after getting 3 points, again take the graph paper, draw the graph. So I will be drawing a rough graph over here. So you students take a graph paper and draw perfectly. So if I indicate first line, 0 50 100 0, so you may say you will get in this form. So first line 0 50, this is 100 0, and this is my first straight line, that is x plus 2y is equal to 100. If I take second one, x 0 y 200, x 100 y 0. So x 0 y 200 roughly will get in this form. So you will have, this is 0 comma 200, and here you will get x 100 comma 0. So x 100 comma 0 means it will pass through this line. So if I draw it correctly, So 100 comma 0. So 100 comma 0 means it will pass through this line. Sorry, this point it will pass. This is our second line. 0 comma 200. Second line is 2x plus y is equal to 200. 2x plus y is equal to 200. Using scale you can draw properly, students. Just I am drawing it rough. Third, if I take third 0 0, then another point is 50 100. So 0 0 50 100. So 0 0 is origin. So 50 100 somewhere here. So you will get a line passing through origin. Third line you will get in this form. This is 2x minus y is equal to 0. So third line you will get in this form. Clear, students? ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHS 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಈಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಈಗ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100. So x plus 2y is this line. Greater than means it will come away from origin. So less than idra origin kade irtade, greater than andra away from origin. So idrad region ee kade bartade. Greater than means on the other side, that is away from origin. Second equation if I take 2x plus y is equal to 200. Second line less than other. Less than means it will be towards origin. So idu ee kade bartade. Idu ee kade. Clear, students? Now either this may be the feasible region or this may be the feasible region. So idu bartado athwa idu bartado annod ನೀವು ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಈಗ third equation ಏನದೆ, less than or equal to 0. So what you do, you take a point on either side of line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೇನೆ, ಇದು 0,50. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 0,50. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 0,50. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತುಂಬಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. So if I substitute 0 minus 50 less than or equal to 0, minus 50 less than or equal to 0 is true. Minus 50 0 ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಈ ಕಡೆದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡು ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತ, ಟ್ರೂ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? I will tell once again. So now this line is there on the either side. ikade athwa ikade yavado ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ikade ತಗೊಂಡೆನೆ 0,50. ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 0,50. ಸೊ 0,50 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನ. ಸೊ 0 ಮತ್ತು 50 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ -50. -50 0 ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದದ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಟ್ರೂ ಅದ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ದು ಏನು ಬಂತ, ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ದು ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ 3 arrow marks are coming. Clear? So this is our feasible region. So proper graph draw ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. You will get the points exactly, taking perfect scale and all. Again for graph I have given link in a description box. So these are corner points which you will be getting. So this I will take it as A, 0,50. So B, this you will get 20,40. 20,40. This point is C. C is 50,100. 50,100. And this point is D. This point is D. So these are corner points which you are getting. Now again last step, have the table, corner points, then value of Z, you will get the answer. So now if I take corner points value of z. So z is equal to x plus 2y. So corner points are first A 0, 50, second B 20, 40, third C 50, 100, 50, 100, then fourth D 0, 200, 0, 200. Now substitute all those values and find z. So it substitute madidre 0 plus 50 into 200, so you will get 100. 20, 40 substitute madidre 20 plus 80, you will get 100. So if I substitute 50 and 100, 50 plus 200, you will get 250. If I substitute 0 to 100, 0 plus 400, so you will get 400. Then write the maximum and minimum value. So write maximum and minimum value. So z maximum is, so I will be writing here. So z maximum. So if you see, z maximum is 400. So z maximum is equal to 400 at point 0, 200 or at point D. So maximum value you are getting over here. Z minimum. So if you observe here, you are getting at two separate points minimum value. 100, 100 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದೆ. So Z minimum is 100 at A ಮತ್ತು B ಅದ. So A ಮತ್ತು B. Now from the graph, if you take any point on this line segment, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ, equation ಒಳಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will get 100. So at every point between A and B, you will get 100. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ 100 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So Z minimum is equal to 100 at every point on AB. At every point on line AB. So at every point on AB. Clear, students? Solve this, then we will go for the next one. So next one, students, same as we had solved last one. So first I will take the three equations. So consider first equation, x plus 2y is equal to 120. X plus 2y is equal to 120. So if I find x and y value, x, y. So if x is 0, 2y is equal to 120, so you will get y is equal to 60. So if y is 0, x is 120. X you will get 120. Second equation, if I take x plus y is equal to 60. So if I take again x and y, x, y. So if x is 0, y is 60. If y is 0, x is 60. Third one, again RHS is 0 over here. X minus 2y is equal to 0. So if I take x and y value, x, y. So if x is 0, y is equal to 0. If RHS is 0. Now to find another value, take any value among these. So you will have the answer. I will take x equal to 120. So if I take x 120, 2y is equal to 120, so you will get y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60. Now again draw the graph. Take scale and draw the graph. Again I will be drawing rough graph over here. Diagram. So axis, origin. So first line if I take 0, 60, 120, 0, so I will get in this form. This is the first line, 0, 60 and 120, 0. 120, 0. I will mark over here x plus 2y is equal to 120. Second, if I take 0, 60, 60, 0. So 0, 60 will be same this one. Then 60, 0 I will have somewhere over here. This is second line. 60, 0. So second line I will denote here x plus y is equal to 60. X plus y is equal to 60. Now third line, it will pass through origin. So x is equal to 120, y 60 somewhere here, it will be passing through origin. So if I draw, so I will have in this form, this is third line, x minus 2y equal to 0. Now students, you can try on your own where you will get feasible region, or you can tell me. First tagondre, first line less than other. So first line less than other andre it should be towards origin. So 120. So 120 iddದ್ದು ಈ line ಅದ. So less than andre towards origin. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ towards origin. ಇಷ್ಟು clear? Second line greater than 60 ಅದ, means it will be away from origin. ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದದೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತಾನೆ 0, 60. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನದ ರೀ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2y ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ 0, 60 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ 0, 60 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 0 ಮೈನಸ್ 120. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 120 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದೇನದ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗಿದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಲೈನದ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಈ ಲೈನದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಿದಾಗ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎ 40, 20 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 40, 20. 40, 20. This is B. 60, 0. Is C. 120, 0. This point is D. So D you will get as 60, 30. You will get 60, 30. Is D. So now again take all corner points and find maximum and minimum value of Z. So again I will have the table corner points value of Z. So if I take corner points value of Z, Z is equal to 5x plus 10y. 5x plus 10y. So corner points, first one is A, 40, 20. Second B, 60, 0. 60, 0. Third C, 120, 0. Fourth D, 60, 30. 60, 30. So if we substitute, ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, 5 4s are 20, 200 plus 200 you will get 400. 60, 20 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 5s are 30, 300 plus 200 you will get 500. 120, 0, 12 5s are 60, 600 plus 0 you will get 600. 60, 30 ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ 6 5s are 30, 300 plus 300 you will get 600. Then finally write the answer. Finally write the answer. So maximum value is 600. So in between C and D means at every point on CD. So e line mel ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ point ತೋರಿ you will get value as 600. So Z max is equal to 600 at every point on CD. At every point on CD. Minimum value is 400 at A. So Z minimum is equal to 400 at A, that is 40, 20. Clear, students? So students, here I have done a mistake. Point B is 60, 0. So this has to be 0. So 6 5s are 30, 300 plus 0. So this is 300. So 300. So Z minimum is 300 at point 60, 0. So at point 60, 0. So 300 at 60, 0. Clear, students? So you can solve this. We will go for the next one. So next one, students. So if you observe here, constraint he has given as x less than or equal to y, or even you may write it as x minus y less than or equal to 0. So if you get confused, you can keep it in this form. So again we will find the points. So first equation, if I take x plus 3y is equal to 60. X plus 3y is equal to 60. So if I take x and y value, x, y. So when x is 0, y is 20. 20 into 3, 60. So when y is 0, x is 60. Second equation, if I take x plus y is equal to 10. So if I take x and y values, x, y, when x is 0, y is 10. When y is 0, x is 10. Third equation, x is equal to y, x less than or equal to y, you can write in this form, or x minus y equal to 0. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ x minus y equal to 0 ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ನಡೀತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ x and y value, if I find x and y value, so x, y. So when x is 0, y is 0. So origin ದಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ. So if I take x 20, you will get y also 20. Now again draw the graph. So if I draw the graph, so new graph paper ಒಳಗೆ draw ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. I am drawing it rough. So if I take first point 0, 20, 60, 0. So 0, 20, 60, 0 I will get in this form. So this is 0, 20, this is 60, 0, and this is the first line, x plus 3y is equal to 60. Second line, if I take 0, 10, 10, 0, so I will get in this form. So this is 0, 10, and this is 10, 0, second line, x plus y is equal to 10. Third one, 0, 0, 20, 20. So it passes through origin. So rough in this form you will have x is equal to y. So now again find feasible region. Either this or this you will get. But try madre nodne. First equation tondre less than other. So first line idada. So less than andre it will be towards origin. So ikade athwa ikade. Second line togondre greater than other. So second line the greater than andre away from origin ikade athwa ikade. Iga third line mat x equal to y anta helade, or you can say x less than or equal to y. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲೈನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೋರಿ, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ತಗೋತಾನೆ 0, 20. ಸೊ 0, 20 ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20. ಎಕ್ಸ್ 0 ತುಂಬಿದ, y 20 ತುಂಬಿದ. 0 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಅದ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಲೈನದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. Feasible region. Again from graph, mark the corner points. So corner points, first I will take this as A, 0, 10. So this point I will take it as B. B you will have 5, 5. 5, 5. This I will take it as C. C will be 15, 15. 15, 15, and finally this is D, 0, 20. Again have the table for corner points and value of Z, you will get the answer. So final step, corner points, Z is equal to 3x plus 9y, value of Z. So substitute A, first one 0, 10, second B 5, 5, third C 15, 15, and fourth D 0, 20. So substitute these values and find what you will have the answer. So substitute the value of A 0, 10 in Z and find the value. Similarly B, C and D. So if you substitute, you will have. So if I substitute 0, 10, 0 plus 90, you will have 90. 5, 5 if I substitute 15 plus 45, you will get 60. 15, 15 you will substitute. 15 3s are 45 plus 135, you will get 180. Finally 0, 20 if you substitute 0 plus 180, you will get 180. Then finally write the answer. So 180, 180, this is maximum at every point on CD. So at every point on CD you write. Then minimum value is 60, Z minimum. Clear students? So if you do these 7 problems perfect, similar you will have in annual exam for 6 marks.